Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO A2x, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. Now before we get started, you will need to grab a SIM eject tool which looks similar to this, and it will come provided with the device and the box somewhere between the paperwork. But if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. Next thing, we're gonna need to pop out our tray, which is located on the top left side of the device, so right here where the pin is holding. You're gonna push it in and you can see that the tray pops out, and now for you to be able to grab it and pull it out. On the tray you have space for 2 dedicated SIM cards, so right here, and 1 dedicated SD card. So placing the cards on the tray like this, make sure that they're laying flush on the tray, as you can see, and then you can insert it back into your device. You want to do it carefully, there's nothing holding those cards in place, so they could kind of come loose. But once you pop it in, as you can see, the cards will start working right away, so it's already prompting me to put in my SIM card pin. There we go. And a pattern. So the SIM card is obviously working, that's why it asked for a pin, and SD card should be working as well. So let's see if I can find it by going into the trying to find where we have storage right here. About device maybe? Yep, there we go. So we have storage right here. And yep, there it is at the very bottom, SD card. So it is also detecting it. Anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.